Hello students, let us start with chapter 6 Thermodynamics. This chapter contains numerical in maximum portion and it is somewhat related with energy, bond enthalpy and something related with the numerical terms also. Thermodynamics. So first of all start with what is thermodynamics. Science which deals with study of different forms of energy and quantitative relationship. What is system? What is surrounding? The part of universe for study is called system and remaining portion in surroundings and the remaining portion is surroundings. System and surroundings together give universe. It means system plus surroundings is equal to universe. What are types of systems? Number 1, open system. In an open system, there is exchange of matter and energy with the surroundings. Closed system. In a system, when there is exchange of energy only and not the matter with the surroundings. Isolated system. In a system, when there is no exchange of energy and matter taking place with the surroundings. Homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. When all the constituent particles in the system are in the same phase and is uniform throughout the systems. For example, mixture of two miscible liquids. Heterogeneous system. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous when it consists of two or more phases and its composition is not uniform throughout the system. For example, sand and water. State of a system and state function. It means its macroscopic or bulk properties which can be described by state variation, pressure, volume, temperature, etc. They are also known as state function. Now types of processes. Number 1, isothermal process. The process carried out at constant temperature is known as isothermal process. In this, delta T is 0, means temperature remains constant. Isochoric process carried out at constant volume. Delta V is 0. Isobaric processes carried out at constant process. Delta P is 0. Adiabatic process carried out at constant heat means there is no transfer of heat between system and surroundings. It means delta Q is 0. If Q is negative, it means heat is released. What is cyclic process? When a system undergoes a series of changes and finally return to its initial stage and is known as cyclic process. What is reversible process? When in a process a change is brought in such a way that process would at any moment be reversed by a small change. A reversible process proceeds infinitesimally slowly by a series of equilibrium states such that system and the surroundings are always in near equilibrium with each other. Irreversible process. Processes which do not follow the reversible process are called irreversible processes. Extensive and intensive properties. Extensive means external, intensive means internal. Properties which depends on quantity of matter called extensive property. For example, mass, volume, heat, capacity, enthalpy, entropy, etc. The properties which do not depend upon quantity of matter present are called intensive properties. For example, temperature, pressure, density, refractive index, viscosity, boiling point, pH, mole fraction, etc. Now, internal energy. Internal energy has symbol U, small u. It is sum of all forms of energy that a system can process. That is, U is equal to EE plus EN plus EC plus EP plus EK. These are various forms of energies. Delta stands for change. Delta U is equal to U2 minus U1, where 2 stands for final, 1 stands for initial. You can also write delta U is equal to UF minus UI, and U is state function and extensive property. If U1 is greater than U2, then energy is released, and if U1 is less than U2, then energy is absorbed. Now some IUPAC rules for chemical thermodynamics. Change in internal energy by work. Work done by the system is negative. Work done on the system is positive. And change in internal energy by doing work. Delta U is equal to UB minus UA is equal to work W. Now, change in internal energy by transfer of heat. Internal energy is changed by transfer of heat from surrounding to the system without doing work. Delta U is equal to Q. When the heat is absorbed by the system, it is denoted by Q and measured in terms of temperature. When heat is transferred from the surrounding to the system, then Q is positive. When heat is transferred from system to surrounding, then Q is negative. If change of state is done by doing both work and transfer of heat, then delta U is equal to Q plus W, where W is negative, where W is work done and Q is heat transfer. Now, let us start with law of thermodynamics. First of all, we are going to start with first law of thermodynamics. According to this, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but energy can change from one form to another. Now, if U1 is initial internal energy, Q is heat change, W is work done, then U2 is final internal energy. Then U2 is U1 plus Q plus W. U2 minus U1 is equal to Q plus W. It means delta U is equal to Q plus W. So this is what? First law of thermodynamics. So this chapter is very easy. Okay, prepare your class notes. Thank you.